Indiana State will try to sweep a conference weekend for the first time this year, and for the first time since a year ago when Indiana State swept Bradley and then Illinois State on a Sunday. Sycamores will try to repeat that feat this afternoon as the Illinois State Redbirds come to town after a dominating win for Indiana State on Friday, 65-50 over the Bradley Braves. The block now out to Whitland. Whitland post-entry feed the battle. Battle up front, and a little shot goes about 8 feet away, right side of the lane. And it ricochets off, goes to Ashley O'Neal. Tie game at 2, Indiana State with it. Ashley O'Neal with a nice move, draws the foul, and gets the lay in to go.
Great take there by Ashley. She needs to keep pushing it in transition when she has it.
Ball's loose, it's towards midcourt. Here Isaiah and Indiana State pick it up in transition. Isaiah flip back to Taya. Taya down to Whitland. Whitland lays it in, and the foul! It's a block! Right hand away side. Delgado, high ball screen from Whitland. Left side of the lane. Delgado all the way to the rack, off the glass for 2. What a beauty there.
Great take.
16-6, 10-point lead for Indiana State. Down low to Bibbins. Bibbins yet to use a dribble. She'll now front Talbot. She'll fire a shot and it falls.
Looked like a Dirk Nowitzki move.
Webb trying to find Taya. Webb will attack right through the lane, off the glass for 2, and a whistle. Tierra Webb has a chance at a 3-point play. It's 39-37. Illinois State by 2. O'Neal, right high side. Now it's Webb, straight on, trying to get in the battle. Battle gets it. Valley takes it blue, outside of Taya, 3 on the way. Got it! Taya gets it to go! And it's a 2-point lead for Indiana State. 3:15 to go in the game. Corner, 3 on the way, was blocked. It's near out of bounds. Battle gets it. Indiana State with it, far sideline. Numbers for Tierra Webb. Webb will go to the right corner. Webb up and under. Got it to go! Indiana State in front by 1. 48-47. 1:30 to go in the game.
Guess that's the reason I'm not a coach. I'm telling him pull it out, and she goes up and under and finishes it.
5 seconds on the shot clock. Left side will drive on Battle. Shot out of bounds. And it will stay with Illinois State, but 2 seconds on the shot clock. Beck slaps the leather, looking to get it in. Offensive foul! These are big. Indiana State leads by 1. The first one on the way. Got it to fall. T. Webb makes it a 2-point game. Free throw is buried by Tierra Webb. 2 big free throws for Indiana State, and it's a 3-point lead. Bibbins catches it, and that will do it. Indiana State victorious, 52-49. Sycamores win back-to-back games for the first time this year, and Indiana State will try to put 3 in a row when they head to the Windy City next weekend.
Great job. We talked about at halftime. We want to be a team that can win different ways, all right? And we showed that tonight. We showed it this weekend. We won a different way Friday night. Today was hard. It was tough. Love games like that. You fought all day, but nothing was easy. We had to go earn that thing. That's a big-time win.